And it makes this noise.
Every time I get a new package, I feel like it's Christmas.
Hey YouTube. Okay, today we're gonna be doing an unboxing of my favorite company, Ninja. I'm a Ninja girl. And let me tell you something, this coffee machine, I've been having my eyes on this coffee machine for a very long time because it's so nice and it's so slim and it's like perfect for counter space. So let's just get straight into it, shall we? Now, before we get straight into unboxing this thing, I just want to go over a few things about this coffee machine, what made me buy it. The reason why I bought this coffee machine, once again, I said counter space, right? But it's a single serve, right? It takes K-pods. Yes, it does. We have our K-pods, and it takes ground coffee. All right. And it has different types of ways to make the coffee. You can make it classic, you can make it rich, you can make it iced coffee, and you could do special brew. Now, for those of you who don't know, I do have another coffee machine, and I did a review on that coffee machine, but that was a coffee. It was a coffee machine and a tea maker. It made both, and it's just fantastic. So Ninja does a very good job of making coffees. And on top of that, we have different sizes that it makes. So it can make a 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 18, and 24 ounce of coffee. And the specialty is only 4 ounces. So we about to get busy, y'all. We about to get busy. We about to get down and dirty with it. So let's do this. All right, bear with me, y'all, because I'm trying to do this with one hand because my tripod broke. That's a story for another time. Tripod ain't break. I can have 2 hands, but it's all right. It's okay. We're gonna make it break today. All right. Oh my God. All right, first thing I see is the Ninja manual, but if y'all know me, y'all know I don't read manuals. I'm not a manual girl. This, I'm assuming, is this part of the coffee machine that you gotta put at the bottom in case anything leaks again. We gonna take this off, come off, okay? We got our little American plug, cause you know, New York, where you at? Like, all right. I told y'all I got one hand, so y'all gonna have to bear with me. Okay, all right. I got a human tripod. Oh, this thing kind of heavy. Hold on. Okay. All right, the first thing we will take out the plastic. Okay. Michael Myers out here. Yeah, you know? It is pretty. Look at this, y'all. My first impressions is Ninja makes a good job at just styling these coffee makers. Like, I'm telling you, like, Ninja's like my Gucci or Louis Vuitton. Like, literally. Because, like, their style is just different than other companies. And no, I'm not getting paid for this video. But Ninja, like, listen, if you're watching this, honey, that's how true it is. I'm open to it. Okay? So now this water tank. We're going to talk about this water tank in the back. Because look how skinny and slim this is. Like, I love it. 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 All right. I plugged her in. Look how beautiful she is. Oh, and this water tank, 52 ounces. Which, honestly, it's not that big. But listen, y'all. If you're a single person and you live by yourself, this is the coffee machine for you. Now, it has a little froster, you know, like, Ninja. Like, you hear that? Ninja beginning there. That's what I'm talking about, okay? Y'all know how I feel about my plastic. And y'all always make fun of me about this plastic, but I am the person, I just don't like taking plastic off of certain things. Like, that's just who I am. That's just how I am. Y'all have to accept me for who I am, okay? Like, it just is what it is. I'm not taking the plastic off yet. Okay, it's gonna come off eventually, but it's just like, you know, like, come on now. We can still see. It says classic, rich, over ice, specialty, and it lets you know that the specialty is only 4 ounces, which is nice because on my other coffee machine, it did not let me know it was 4 ounces. I found out the hard way thinking I was going to get a whole cup of coffee, and no, I did not. So yes. Now, it's on K-cup, and this means that it is on ground coffee. Inside here is where all the magic happens. And this is the K-cup holder, and this is, take this plastic off of this though. When you open this, okay, you open it like this. And now you have, let me bring this to the light a little bit. Now you have, this part is the K-cup, and this comes out. This is removable. Both of them are removable. Both of them comes out, right? So you have the big cup, the K-cup, right? So that's if you want K-cups. Now, if you want ground coffee, so we'll be doing both. You want ground coffee, right? Check this out. Mic check 1 2 1 2. Okay. This is a compartment. Yes, it is. Ninja. Like, honey, why are you doing this to me? This is a compartment, and it has the symbol for ground coffee, the symbol that's on top of there. And you take this out of here because it's a filter. Yes, a reusable filter. Ninja, why are you doing this to me? And you put this right in there for when you want the ground coffee. Obviously, you got to open it up, you know, put the coffee in there, yada, yada, yada. And the measuring cups. This comes with just one side of measuring cups because it only goes up 24 ounces. So, yes, the measuring cups. And it lets you know how many scoops you need for the size that you're trying to get, right? But honestly, it really just depends on too how strong you like your coffee. That's my personal opinion. Ninja did not tell me that. That's just how I roll with Ninja. How strong you like your coffee. So one thing about me, honey, I don't read these. Only if it gets real, I will read this. One thing I love about Ninja, quick start. It's only a few pages, and it has pictures. Show me all the pictures, okay? And that's all the pictures. Straight, how to do it, get into it. Now, the K-cups is saying only goes up to 12 ounces, and with ground coffee, you could go up to 24 ounces. So that is a very important fact and feature. No, look, nope. See, look, we done. 4 pages, and it gets straight to it. Straight to it. It's a summary of a college paper. All right. But let me stop talking and let's make this coffee. All right, we're gonna start out with this ground coffee right here. Okay. So I'm gonna do about 8 ounces. So this connects into this. And what I like about this little thing right here, I don't know if y'all can see this. Y'all can see it. It has like levels to put it. So in case you want to put it like, I guess a little higher and not like directly on the floor, you can, which is cool. I like that. Shout out to Ninja. Making things adjustable. All right, so on the little handy dandy, it's saying for 8 ounces, 2 to 3 scoops. Okay. So I'm gonna do 2 scoops because I'm not gonna lie, this coffee is very strong. If you know, then you know. And if you don't know, I'm putting you on. This coffee is like espresso. I ain't even gonna hold y'all. Like, this is not coffee to me. This is espresso. This is not my personal pick for coffee because it's espresso. Like, you got a taste for coffee or you got a taste for espresso? Let me know. It has all right. Okay, so I'm gonna put that in there like that, but before I even do any of that, we gotta fill up this water tank. All right, we have the water tank nice and full. Okay, we got the machine on ready. We're gonna put this cup right here, but I'm gonna put it a little down because I don't want it that close to the thing. Like, it could be down. I just was trying to be fancy and show y'all, like, you know what I'm saying? It could be down, but it's already down, so we're gonna put a little more down. Anyway, all right, so I'm gonna go here and I'm going to click 8 ounces. I'm going to click classic because I'm a classic girl, you know what I'm saying? A little classic. And I'm going to pick brew, and then just gonna do what it do. Now, these lines shows you like, it's like a little timeline. Funny, right? Timeline. It's like a little timeline. So it's gonna take a little time, and then the lines is gonna move. Yeah. All right. So as y'all can see, it is 10:33, and we gonna look at the time when this cup of coffee finish. So I have to take the plastic off, y'all, because I don't know if y'all can see, but it's steam coming up from these 2 areas. So the plastic had to go bye-bye. It is currently 10:35. And this is what I got so far. It's almost done now. And it makes this noise. I don't like that noise, I'm gonna be honest with y'all. It's very annoying. If you got this coffee machine, please comment below and let me know if your coffee machine makes this noise, because I got this from Macy's. And Macy's, I don't know. I'm not a Macy's girl. I'm an Amazon and Best Buy girl, so. And Walmart currently right now, as we're recording this video, has this coffee machine on sale for $99. And I paid $129. So go get it. Do me a favor and go get it. It's on. See, the last line is blinking, and that means it's almost done. And that drip, 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 drippity drip. Be aware too, it splashes in the bag. And it's done, and it is currently 10:36. Okay, so 3 minutes for 8 ounce coffee. Y'all let me know how y'all feel about that. You know, I usually make my coffee. I put it here, I press the button, and I walk away. Then I wait to hear the beep and come get my coffee. I don't really time it, you know. But that's the timing for this nice cup of coffee. Remember, we did ground. Now we're gonna do K-cup. All right, so I done rinsed out the ground coffee part. I'm gonna let it air dry, so I'm not gonna put it back in that little nice compartment. I'm gonna let it air dry first. But I just have to say this for the people who don't know. Do not put this down the drain. Please empty it in the trash. It's gonna clog up your drain over time. I know my coffee makers, they know this already, but you know, there's people out there who don't know. So we're not gonna judge, we're just gonna let them know, okay? All right, with that being said, okay, so this part I need, and this part is gonna go in here. And then we gonna put that K-cup holder right there, okay? And for K-cups, I got my little Walmart donut shop. It kind of reminds me of the Amazon donut shop that I used to be obsessed with when I had my Keurig. Yes, I came a long way, okay? Let me say something. I'm about this coffee life. You can't play with me. And I'm in New York at that. Like, come on now. Y'all already know how New York coffee lovers give it up. If you don't know, now you know. But Amazon has a donut shop, and it's really, 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 really good. So that's what made me get this. I think I tried this before, but I don't remember how it was. So we about to find out. All right, got my little black cup because black is beautiful. I'm thinking about let's do this one differently though. Let's move this up a little bit because I did not like how it was splashing, y'all. I'm not gonna lie, I did not like that at all. All right, so I'm gonna put it a little more up to prevent splashing, because the splashing went over here. I had to wipe it down, like, whatever. Anyway, we gonna put the K-cup right in there. You do not take this off, because this is just gonna pinch it, okay? All right, we go. It's already on 8 ounces, because my last cup of coffee was on 8 ounces, and we go ahead and look, it already knows that it's on K-cup. It switched over on its own. You don't have to do nothing. We go ahead and brew. And now it is currently 10:42. I'm curious to see if it's going to make that annoying noise with the K-cup. Oh, it sounds a little bit different with the K-cup. Hold on now. And it's not splashing. Keynote, it's not splashing. It's going directly in the cup. So yeah. We gonna keep this up, and it's up, then it's up, then it's stuck. Okay, we gonna keep it up, because it's trying to be down. You will make a mess. Oh, hold on. 3 lines already? Oh no, the K-cup is way faster than ground. This is crazy. I don't even gotta pause the camera for y'all. Like, I think we could just do this. Wow. 10:43. K-cups win. The K-cups win, y'all. Like, dang. All right, my little K-cup coffee. I'm just really still shocked, y'all, how fast it made this 8 ounce of coffee. Like, I'm just mind blown right now. Don't mind me and being surprised. And you don't gotta clean nothing. You just take the K-cup out, throw it in the trash. I like this better for K-cups than ground. I'm not saying the taste, because the taste is phenomenal with ground coffee versus K-cups. That's just my personal coffee opinion. But the timing, like, if you want to rush, go with the pod. If you want quality, go with the ground. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know what I'm saying? Then you got the little froster, but I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I'm not doing all that. Like, I'm simple with my coffee. I like my coffee with cream. I'm about to put some cream and some sugar in this. You know what I'm saying? And we gonna keep it bumping. The little compartment. This is how much water is left after those 2 cups of coffee. So, nice little amount. Nice little amount. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this unboxing / first impression. I will say I love it, but the only thing I don't like is that when you do ground, that annoying noise that it makes, like, that's annoying. I'm sorry. And keep in mind that it steams from here also. When it does ground, the steam comes up from here. But with the K-cup, it didn't do none of that. So listen, Ninja, I still love you though. Like, Ninja, I still love you. You know, you just gotta upgrade this a little bit, you know, come out with the single serve 2.0 next year, you know, for Christmas. But anyway, y'all, I'm done with this video. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and let me know what y'all think. Any questions or comments, please comment below and let me know.
Let's cheerio to another video.